Hey guys, Gabe from Our Simple Story here, and in this video I'm going to teach you real quick how to make a kayak rack just like this one. So if you're like me and you have a bunch of kayaks sitting around your backyard, you can get a little organized, clean up a little bit, and make a simple, affordable storage method just like this. Stick around, here we go.
For this project, you're going to need the following materials: 2 8-foot long 4x4 posts and 5 1-inch diameter 10-foot long pieces of electrical conduit. So I spaced my holes out at 3 feet and I dug them down about 21 to 22 inches. Once I dig the holes, I go ahead and put the poles in place. And the main thing here is making sure that they are level. So what you want to do, and a technique that I use, is I put a little bit of dirt back in the hole and pack it and check my level along the way and just pack a little bit of the dirt in there, just enough to where it holds its level and it doesn't move on you. But you don't want to fill the hole back in completely at this point. Then once we got a good level on these things and they're not moving around, what I want to do is go ahead and mix up some Quickcrete. And nothing fancy here, you just mix it in a 5-gallon bucket and pack it in the hole here and make sure these things are not going anywhere. Then once you've done that, you want to make sure you check your level a couple more times in all directions. Now this project took me about 4 hours to complete, and it cost me a little under $70 to complete as well with all the materials involved. What I'm doing here is I'm coming 6 inches up off of the ground and I'm marking 2 places that make sure they're level from each other. It's very important that you use your level and you mark these corresponding holes that you're going to drill. This is where the pipe's going to run through. And I spaced my holes out 12 inches. That allowed me to fit 5 slots on this rack. So I have the potential to fit 10 kayaks. Then once you get your holes drilled, you're going to go ahead and cut your 10-foot conduit in half at 5 feet. You cut your conduit, slide them into the holes. Now the holes, you're going to want to drill them about 1.5 inches with a paddle bit. You want to make sure that the holes are straight through and not at an angle. It's very important, because otherwise these pieces of conduit coming through are going to be at an angle and your kayaks are just going to slide off. They're going to be all crooked and everything. You don't want that. So once you get those in place and you see that they're straight and you can fix anything that's crooked and they look all even and uniform, then you just go ahead and start putting your kayaks on. And this is the fun part right here, and you can kind of look back and admire your progress. But thanks guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if I deserved it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And we will see you in the next video. In the meantime, keep it real.